Welcome to Team Red and your new obsession. Congratulations. Along those lines, there's a lot of fun things to accessorize your grill, whether you have a Joe Jr. or a Classic or a Big Joe. We've got several other things going on. We're going to continue to come out with fun accessories, sportifying dinner, if you will. Grilling on an open flame is a lot of fun, but then when you add a soapstone to it, right, this non-porous surface that just you can skip scallops on as they're searing, or the reversible griddle, which is one of my favorites. It's actually 2 for 1. It's raised tines on one side and flat on the other side. The JoeTisserie, there is nothing more majestic than a roasting bird, right? Beautiful. This is one of the only things that brings a family together once a year in some instances, right? This is a lot of fun, and there's a basket set as well. Let's not forget the SloRoller and the ash basket. Both of these come with the Series 3, but if you want to upgrade your 1 Series and 2 Series, that ash basket increases airflow, and the SloRoller gives you that hyperbolic insert, right? That cyclonic airflow, which gives you at least 20% more smoke adherence, so another addition to your low and slow game. The new carbon steel line. This is a wok. Beautiful things are happening. Live flames. Boom, boom, boom. Full action. Another carbon steel piece here. These are just some of the things. This griddle is so much fun. These are just some of the things. Come on over here. Let's take a look. You don't think of charcoal being accessory, but your fuel source is your secret ingredient, so a must. These fire starters, this is what I always use. I'm a match guy as well. I'd say one of the most unsung heroes is the grill cover. Again, this is just a small offering of what Kamado Joe has, and a lot coming down the pipeline as well. Again, my name is Chef Eric Gephart. If I can be a resource to you in any way, please let me know. And from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.